Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Dodge Charger bumper updated. Begin by parking on level ground, disconnecting the battery, and gathering a ratchet set, trim tool, jack stands, and a soft blanket. Remove wheel well clips and lower splash shield carefully. Keep fasteners organized in labeled containers. Work methodically from the edges toward the center, checking for hidden bolts behind trim and under the grille for an easier reinstallation. Start with the wheels off and the vehicle secure on jack stands, then remove the front splash shield to expose lower bolts. Work across the top edge and inside the wheel wells, loosening fasteners while a helper supports the bumper. Carefully disconnect fog light plugs and parking sensor connectors, then slide the bumper cover straight off to avoid catching tabs. Keep bolts grouped by location to speed up reassembly and avoid lost hardware. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and hit like to support more helpful content. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after greasy hands and garage odors, because life's too short for a stinky ride. I find it light and long-lasting, and it's a small touch that makes working on a charger more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When reinstalling, align mounting tabs gently and start with loose bolts to allow adjustments before final tightening. Replace any plastic clips that broke during removal and torque metal fasteners to factory feel without overdoing it. Reconnect all electrical plugs and test fog lights and sensors while the bumper is still supported. Lower the car and perform a final gap check to ensure a clean, even fit, and confident finish that holds up on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.